Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're doing another unboxing, and this time it's from a micro brand called Zampieri. And although the name might sound Italian, they're actually from Canada. Now let's see what they sent me. And they make a very interesting, well, it's one model of a watch with different dial configurations, but you'll see what I find. I mean, it has a few details that made me want to actually review it and see what's what. Oh, it seems like the box is pretty large. Let's open it. Oh wow, it is large. I did not expect that. Here's the receipt. Zampieri. So a nice cardboard box with a pretty big size. Inside you have this bubble wrapping. There's a cloth, Zampieri cloth, certificate of authenticity. It says all the things that you want to know. So as you can see, a 39mm case, and now the fun things. The enamel finish on the dial. They're on the 1062, which is a slim tech movement, meaning that it's a very thin, and a sapphire crystal. 5 ADM or 50 meters water resistant, vegetable full grain Italian leather. Now these two are the ones that I want to see as the result. It actually has this very velvety, let me take this out. I honestly did not expect such a luxurious packaging, I have to admit it. Now the box is wrapped in this is really velvet. Look, it's like Vanta black. My light can't even reflect off of this. Look, I'm trying to show you the finishing, but I can't. It's so velvety and so deeply black. Underneath is a lacquered box, and wow, this is actually look, it's a smudge magnet. That's how polished it is. Very interesting. I really did not expect this. It opens on a click. This feels like a high-end watch. I mean, the packaging. Inside, another protective wrapper, some silicone gel, and here is the watch. A very minimalistic, very elegant, dressy piece. Look at that. Wow, really looks nice. Let's take it out. It comes with a tang buckle and this, like they say, Italian leather. So let's take it off its pillow. Let's close the box. I'm really impressed with the box and the overall packaging. Now let's see the watch a bit closer. Let's peel this off. There we go. There's gonna be probably a lot of fogging because the watch is very cold, as it just came out from the outside. Wow, look at this. Enamel dial, applied markers, highly polished with highly polished hands, and look at the thinness. This watch is 7mm thick, and that's the result of the Ronda Slim Tech quartz movement. And the fun thing is that these Slim Tech movements, to make them as slim as possible, they lack the seconds hand. So this watch can actually look like, some people don't like the ticking of the seconds hand on a quartz watch, so with this you kind of avoid that. And it also makes it much dressier, because a true dress watch by some shouldn't have a seconds hand, and this one doesn't. It is a truly stunning piece. Very elegant, very minimalistic, and I like that it has a timeless design. It's not like some trendy minimalist watch with some funky font that's gonna be in trend today and then like 5 years from now it's gonna look tacky. No, this is a very timeless design. I mean, this reminds me of the Patek Philippe and such watches. Wow, and the packaging is amazing. Wow, let's unlock the crown to have the movement start ticking. And there, we just started it. It's very interesting. Now, as usual, I will be doing a full review of this watch with detailed macro shots, and I honestly can't wait to do those because I really want to see how well they finished those markers. I mean, here, to the naked eye, they look flawless, but I'm sure the macro shots are going to reveal the truth, but I really am interested. Look, even the polishing of the case is very well done. I didn't manage to smudge it up when I was taking off that protective film, but very impressed. The leather strap is on the soft side. It's not as sturdy as some others, and it does come with these quick release pins. Now it's time to put it on my wrist. So, Swiss made, quartz movement, slim tech, sapphire crystal, enamel dial. So far I'm very impressed, especially with the packaging. I really didn't expect that. Now let's put it on my wrist. And there. Look at that. Now again, this on my wrist, this kind of watch, to be honest, I would prefer it in 35 or 36 millimeters. It would just be so much more elegant. But I can blame him for going for 39 because I have a pretty small wrist and I like a smaller sized watch on my wrist. But look how thin that is. That is something that's missing on so many modern watches. Like take Grand Seiko for example. I have a 70s or 70s King Seiko that's just 9 millimeters thick, and you take today's Grand Seikos and they're like trying to be dressy, but they're 12 or 13 millimeters thick, and that I believe is the biggest problem with modern watches and one of the reasons why I really love vintage ones. But this one with just 7 millimeters in thickness is very impressive. It is a quartz, so quartz watches do tend to be thinner than mechanical counterparts, but this is very, very thin. I'm really liking it. Anyways, that's it. So like I said, stay tuned for the full review, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.